Hi everybody, welcome back to 12 Acres. I just thought I'd do a real quick video today to show you how to save your seeds from hollyhocks. This was my first year growing hollyhocks and I just absolutely loved them. I had a beautiful show of flowers from them and I want to make sure that I can do it again next year. So what we're going to look for on these seed pods, and this is after they're done flowering and the flowers have withered and fallen off, if the seed pod is still kind of meaty and fleshy, it's not ready yet. You want to look for something that is totally dried out. You'll even hear that it sounds crunchy or crispy, and it's very dry and flaky. And the seeds will be ready to just pop right out of them. So one of the clues that you can look for is at the base of the seed pod. If it looks brown down into the stem, it is ready. You don't want to collect the seeds if they're still green and moist because they'll just mold and they won't be any good and they could ruin all of your seeds. So make sure that they are all dry and completely ready. So there's a couple different ways you can actually collect the seeds. You can bring the seed pods in, remove them from the plant, bring them into the house or whatever you want to do. And actually you could just save the whole entire seed pod in your container. You don't even have to take the seeds out right now if you don't want to, but I'm taking the seeds out, personal preference. So they're really easy to come out. They usually will just fall right out. Sometimes you have to use your finger in there a little bit to scrape them out, but for the most part, they come out really easily. If they're ready, then they should come out really easily. Or you can just dump them right into your jar or baggie or whatever you're going to put them in, envelope. And then I will usually leave the jar sit open for a few days just to make sure that there's no moisture in them. And I'll shake it around every once in a while, just letting them completely air out before I close it up. But this was my favorite method, just taking them directly off of the plant. I don't even take the pods off. I just open up the little pod there on the plant, hold my jar underneath it, and collect them. And I've got several years worth of hollyhock seeds now.